All right, let me just hot wire my power supply into this ancient motherboard and plug in my Alibaba 1060 and... Whoa, dude, that does not look safe. It's fine, I'm just building on a budget. Is that a case fan strapped to your graphics card? Don't ask questions. All right, here we go. Oh, God, please, it hurts. God, what have you done? Bro, what the hell did you just build? Is that thing alive? Oh, God, why did you create me, you broke motherfucker? My existence is pain. Dude, this poor PC is in pain. Just save up for a better build. He's fine. I bet this guy can run CS2 in like 1080p. Oh God, please, no, anything. I beg you, kill me, not CS2, no. Let's go, dude, I'm on a roll. Boom, headshot. Ah!